Good morning student, welcome back to Gokul Das Public School structured based online classes. Dear student, we have completed chapter 1 to chapter number 5. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 6, soil erosion and conservation. Okay, what is the name of chapter number 6? Soil erosion and conservation. Dear student, take out your book and open page number 52. Book page number 52. Okay. Dear student, in this chapter we will read and learn about importance of soil, what is soil, then third one is formation, process of formation of soil, what is soil erosion, then factor causing soil erosion, and what is soil conservation. Okay, so what are the learning objectives or aims? Learning objective of this chapter. What we have to learn in this chapter? We will read and learn about. What we have to read and learn about? First one, what is soil? Okay, what is soil? Second, importance of soil. Okay, then third one, process of formation of soil. How soil, process of formation of soil means how soil is formed. Fourth point in this chapter we have to learn factor, what is soil erosion. Okay, what is soil erosion. Okay, then fifth point, factors that cause soil erosion. What are the factors that cause soil erosion? Then next, sixth point, harmful effect of soil erosion. What are the harmful effects of soil erosion? And the last one, step to prevent, how to prevent soil erosion. Steps to prevent soil erosion. Okay? Okay, dear student, we have started our chapter number 6. What is the name of that chapter? Soil erosion and conservation. In this chapter, what is the aim of this chapter? What we have to learn in this chapter? We have to learn what is soil. Okay, then next, importance of soil. Third one, process of formation of soil, how soil is formed. Then next, fourth one is what is soil erosion. Next is factors that causes soil erosion. What are the factors which cause soil erosion? The next topic is harmful effect of soil erosion. Now next, how to prevent how can we prevent soil erosion? So we will start with what is soil. Okay, we will start with what is soil. So first is, what is soil? Dear student, take out your book page number, open your book page number 52. First we will read it from the book. You have to listen and understand only. Okay, no need to write anything. Okay. Chapter 6, Soil Erosion and Conservation. Aims: in this chapter we will read and learn about: first, importance of soil, factors that cause soil erosion; third point, the harmful effect of soil erosion; fourth point, step to prevent soil erosion. Okay, the uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. So underline this line. What is soil? The uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. It is made up of tiny pieces of rocks and remains of dead plants and animals. So it supports plants which provide food to all the things on this planet. Thus, soil is the foundation of all the life on the earth. Below the soil there is a solid rock. So I hope everyone has understand what is soil. What is soil? Answer is the uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. Okay, uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. It is made up of tiny pieces of rocks and remains of dead plants and animals. Plants and animals. Okay. Okay. So you have to learn what is soil. Okay. You have to learn this definition. The uppermost layer of the earth is called soil, and it is made up of tiny pieces of rocks and remains of dead plants and animals. And soil, it supports plants. Okay, it supports plants which provide food to all the things, okay, on this planet. So soil is the foundation of life on the earth. Soil is the foundation of all life on the earth. Below the soil there is a solid rock. Why soil is called foundation of life on the earth? Because it provides food to all. It supports plants, and a plant is the source of food for all the living things. Okay, so soil is known as the foundation of all life on the earth. I hope everyone has understand what is soil. Soil क्या है बेटा? जो सबसे uppermost layer है अर्थ की, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Soil कहते हैं. और ये कैसे बना है? It is made up of tiny pieces of rock. छोटे छोटे rocks के जो pieces होते हैं उससे, and remains of dead plant, जो भी plants मर जाते हैं और animals मर जाते हैं, है ना, बहुत साल लगते हैं soil formation में, उससे ये बनती है soil. is made up of tiny pieces of rocks and remains of dead plants and animals. Okay, and soil is the foundation of all life on the earth. Now I will show you in diagram. Soil by broken rocks, plus dead remains of dead plants and animals, plus air, water, and tiny living organism. Tiny living organism like bacteria. Okay. Then soil form. Okay. Soil form. Soil formed by, it is made up of broken down pieces of rocks, dead plants and animals, air, water and tiny living organisms. Okay. Then what is the importance of soil? Importance of soil. Importance of what is the importance of soil? Yes. First importance, plants get nutrient from the soil. So plants get nutrients from the soil. Okay, with the help of nutrients, plants can prepare their food, and animals is also dependent on plants for their food. So soil is very important for plants. Second one, soil is home for many animals like ants, earthworm. Okay, like ants, earthworms, then third one, soil product is also used to build homes like cement, bricks, gravel, sand. Soil products is also used to build homes. So we can say that soil is the foundation of all life on the earth. Okay. So what is the importance of soil? First, plant get nutrients from the soil. Okay. They will prepare their food, and animal is also dependent on plants for their food. Second, soil is home for many animals like ants and earthworms. Third point, soil products is also used to build homes. For example, cement, bricks, gravel, sand, etc. Okay. Then next topic is formation of soil. Formation of soil. Formation of from book. Rocks breaks up to form soil. Big rocks break up to form small stone and then fine grains of sand. This process is called weathering. Wind and water are the main agents of weathering. Underline this line. Wind and water are the main agents of weathering. They continuously corrode the rocks and eventually turning even big rocks into tiny grains of sand. This is, however, a very slow process. Weathering is a very slow process. It takes millions of years for rocks to break down into tiny particles that forms the soil. So, how soil is formed? Soil formation. Soil is formed by broken down of rocks into small pieces by a process called weathering. Okay, what is weathering? Soil is formed by broken down pieces or broken down rocks into small pieces by a process called weathering. And what are the two main agents of weathering? Wind and water. Wind and water are the main agents of weathering. Okay, main agents of weathering, and it is a very slow process. Weathering is a very slow process. It takes millions of years for rocks to break down into tiny particles that forms the soil. Okay, so formation of soil. Soil is formed by broken down of rocks into small pieces by a process called weathering, and wind and water are the main agents of weathering. Okay, wind and water are the main agents of weathering, and weathering is a very slow process. Very slow process. It takes millions of years to break rocks into small pieces that forms the soil. So, next topic is soil erosion. Our next topic is soil erosion. First we have to learn the term what is meant by topsoil. Topsoil. First you have to know what is the meaning of topsoil. Okay? Topsoil means the topmost layer of the earth is called topsoil. The topmost layer of the earth is known as or is called topsoil, and it is the most fertile layer of the earth. It is the most fertile layer of the okay. It is the most fertile layer of the earth, and topsoil has humus. Humus. What do you mean by humus? Humus means it is an organic component of the soil formed by decomposing of leaves Okay. So humus means it is the organic component of soil formed by decomposing of plants and other plant material. Okay. Now topsoil is carried away by topsoil is carried away by wind and water, which makes the land barren. Okay. ना टॉप सॉइल का मतलब क्या है, जो सबसे टॉप मोस्ट लेयर होती है सॉइल की, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, टॉप सॉइल. और ये सबसे फर्टाइल, सबसे उपजाऊ भूमि होती है. टॉप सॉइल हैज अ ह्यूमस. ह्यूमस कैसे फॉर्म होता है? इट इज अ ऑर्गेनिक कंपोनेंट ऑफ soil formed by decomposing of leaves or plant material, and topsoil is carried away by wind and water, which makes the land barren. अगर topsoil हवा से, wind से या water से चली जाती है तो वहाँ की जो भूमि होती है वो barren हो जाती है. barren means बंजर. ओके, वहाँ पे हम कुछ उगा नहीं सकते. The next is what is soil erosion. Okay. Soil erosion. Dear student, it is given at book page number 53. Soil erosion. First we will read it, then I will explain it. Okay. Soil erosion. Natural forces like wind, water, rain and running water help in soil formation, but they can harm the soil as well. Okay, there is a balance between the formation of soil and the loss of soil at place covered by vegetation, natural vegetation. Often this balance is distributed by human or natural forces. Then the topsoil is removed from the surface of the earth. The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is known as soil erosion. Underline this line. Okay. The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of wind or water is known as soil erosion. As a result of soil erosion, the land losses is fertility. The land affected by soil erosion cannot produce enough to feed all the living beings who dwell on it. Farmers reap poor harvest. We should therefore know the agent responsible for soil erosion and try to stop or control their action. Okay, so soil erosion, the process of, what do you mean by soil erosion? The condition of, underline this line in your book, okay, and learn it. The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is known as soil erosion. Okay, means the condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of wind or water is known as soil erosion. Okay, you have to learn this definition. Then there are some factors which causes soil erosion. Okay, factors causing soil erosion. Factors causing soil erosion. Okay, what are the factors? First one is running water, second wind, third one human activity. By human activity, in human activity like deforestation means cutting down of more plants, and overgrazing of cactus. Okay, now we will discuss about running water. Factors causing soil erosion. Okay, factor causing soil erosion. Running water causes the maximum amount of soil erosion. So which factor is mainly important for soil erosion is running water. It will cause maximum amount of soil erosion. When rain falls, the running water carries away the top soil. है ना, जैसे रेनफॉल होता है तो जो टॉप मोस्ट लेयर होती है, टॉप मोस्ट लेयर कौन सी होती है? टॉप सॉइल. ओके, वो उसके साथ रिमूव हो जाती है. ड्यू टू रिमूवल ऑफ द फर्टाइल टॉप सॉइल, लैंड बिकम अनसुटेबल फॉर फार्मिंग. अगर टॉप सॉइल ही रिमूव हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा? वो लैंड कैसी हो जाएगी? अनसुटेबल फॉर फार्मिंग. हम वहाँ खेती नहीं कर सकते, फार्मिंग नहीं कर सकते. द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सॉइल इरोजन बिकम एक्यूट इन हिली एरियाज as the flow of water is faster over the incline. है ना, the problem of soil erosion is become more acute in hilly areas as the flow of water is faster over the incline. Faster the flow of water, the more is the soil erosion. So running water, faster the flow of water will be more responsible for soil erosion. Then second factor is wind. Okay, first we will read, did you know? The river name Huanghe is also called Sorrow of China as it changes its course very often. Okay, what is the name of river? Huanghe, and it is also known as Sorrow of. What is the name of that river? Huanghe is also called as Sorrow of China. Then wind. In desert and semi-desert region where strong wind blow, a lot of topsoil is carried away. है ना, आपने देखा होगा डेजर्ट में, सेमी डेजर्ट रीजन में विंड कैसी ब्लो होती है? वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ टॉपसॉइल इज कैरिड अवे. विंड के साथ टॉपसॉइल भी हवा में उड़ती जाती है. दिस अफेक्ट्स द फार्मर बिकॉज मैन्योर्स टू इज ब्लोन अवे. है ना, जो मैन्योर वहाँ दिया जाता है वो भी उसके साथ क्या होता है? ब्लो हो जाता है. Quite often the roots of the plant lose their soil cover and the plants die. Okay. Then third is human activity. Roots of trees and plants hold the soil together. आपने देखा होगा जो भी roots होती है वो trees और plants को कैसे hold करके रखती है, soil उसको hold करके रखता है. Filling of trees or deforestation is the major cause of soil erosion. So deforestation is the major cause of soil erosion. When trees are cut down, the soil become loose and is easily carried away. Okay, when trees are cut down, what is the meaning of deforestation? Cutting down of trees. Okay, and soil become loose and it is easily carried away. Plugging of hills slope is yet another human factors to lead the soil erosion. Overgrazing by cattle remove the plants cover from the soil. This will also cause soil erosion. So there are four factors which is responsible for soil erosion. First one is running water, second is wind, and third one is by human activity, in that deforestation and overgrazing by cattle. Deforestation means cutting down of trees in a large numbers, and overgrazing by cattle remove the plants from the cover from the soil, and this will cause soil erosion. Okay, dear student, today we have completed about what is soil, what is the importance of soil, and what is weathering, definition of weathering, what is soil erosion, and factors that causing soil erosion. Dear student, you have to read this chapter once again at home. You have to learn the definition what we have learned today, means what is soil, how soil is formed, then what is weathering, what is soil erosion, and what are the 4 factors that causing soil erosion. Only you have to just revise this chapter, read this chapter at home once again. Okay beta, you have to read this chapter once again. Have a nice day. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.